Guys, now we'll try and do this exercise, and how to do it I will show you now. Stay with me because it's so important if you want to see how to do this exercise. First, what you're starting to do, we'll take in 2 legs, then take 1 leg on ourselves, pushing on our knee and trying open and close. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then try take it and taking back leg in this side and take your on the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, trying to take more in this side and back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, and back. After that, try and catch your leg and sit in these exercises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and trying it so hard, keeping that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take 2 feet, take strong back and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you guys so much. I hope that you like this video. Support my channel, your follow, your comments, and going watching my new videos. Bye bye.